Hey, it's Dr. Nuesse from EasyDOTphysicals.com with a breaking news update. Probably the most important breaking news update that I've ever done here on the channel in regards specifically to marijuana and the rescheduling of marijuana. And this comes from the Associated Press. This was released literally minutes ago. I'm going to post this video as soon as I get done making it. No edits here at all, so I'll be stumbling over my words a little bit. But the Associated Press has announced that the DEA will reschedule marijuana from Schedule 1, which is what it is now, the most restricted schedule, to Schedule 3, which means it has some acceptable medical use and a low likelihood for abuse. So it has been confirmed by the Associated Press and their sources that this will actually happen. So this is a landmark decision as far as the DEA goes, because all along throughout history, the DEA has been very resistant, and you can speculate on why, to reschedule marijuana, to deschedule marijuana, to move it from anything from the most restricted category, which is Schedule 1. And again, I've done a number of videos on the whole process that has been ongoing, from the president recommending that HHS at least take a look at marijuana and see if it should be rescheduled from Schedule 1, and then HHS making their recommendation to the DEA. That happened months ago, and we were just waiting and waiting and waiting and really getting no updates other than, we're from the DEA, we're doing our due diligence, we're going to do what's right, we're going to use the science to lead us, all that kind of stuff. Well, as of right now, the Associated Press and their sources are announcing that the DEA has come to a decision, and the decision is that they will indeed reschedule marijuana from a Schedule 1 substance to a Schedule 3 substance. Not much more information is known as of now as far as the timing. When does this go into effect? How does it affect state laws? I mean, there's a lot that is going there's a lot that we need to unpack, and I don't even know if it's been all fleshed out by the DEA. So more update videos are going to be coming probably very, very quickly, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, as more information comes out. But that's the breaking news. I wanted to get this up right away like I always try to. All right, until next time, everybody stay safe.